Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to do some tutorial on how we are going to build a program that calculate area for us. So here the problem statement. Ahmad wants to create a program that determines the total area of a piece of land where length and width are entered by him. Okay. So first of all, we need to determine what data type we want to use in our program. So for area, I choose double because we going to use decimal number to calculate the area. Okay, double, and we put variable. Let's say area, length, and width. After that, we prompt the user to enter the value. We use printf, enter the length in meter. Okay, I want the user to enter the length in meter. After that, we have to get the input value from user using scanf. %lf and %length. Okay, so after we get the input from the user, we store the data in length variable. Okay, after that we prompt the user again to enter the width. Okay, after that we get the data from user using scanf and ampersand width. Okay, now we get all data from the user. Now we are going to do some calculation here. So area equal to length times width. After that, we print the result. Area equal to %lf, let's say meter, and area. Okay, so if you want the result to show only two decimal places, so you need to add here 0.2. Okay, let's run this. Let's say 5.5 and 3.4, let's say. Okay, so we get the result. Area equal to 18.70 meter. So that's how we build the program. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.